In the previous video, we explored how to create a text typing animation in Flutter. In this video, we're taking it to the next level by building an awesome glitch text animation. Alright, let's dive in. This glitch text class is a custom Flutter widget built using StatefulWidget because it needs to update continuously for the glitch animation. It allows us to customize the text, font size, primary color, and two glitch colors that create the RGB split effect. We also have a glitch intensity parameter to control how strong or aggressive the animation looks. The constructor makes the text required while keeping other properties optional for flexibility. Finally, the createState method connects this widget to its internal animation logic, which we will implement next to produce the glitch effect. This glitch text state class manages the internal animation logic of our custom widget and uses single ticker provider state mixin for smooth updates. We create a random object to generate unpredictable glitch effects and use two timer variables, one to trigger glitches and another to control animation frames. The offset values like offset x1 and offset x2 move text layers horizontally, while clip top and clip bottom define which parts of the text are visible to create that sliced glitch look. The skewx variable adds a slight distortion, and corrupted text is used to randomly modify characters for a digital glitch feel. Finally, glitching helps us control when the effect is active, making the animation appear dynamic and realistic. In init state, we initialize the glitch by setting corrupted text to the original text and immediately scheduling the animation. Then, inside schedule next glitch, we create a random delay between 800 and 2500 milliseconds using random and start a timer that calls start glitch. This randomness makes the glitch effect feel natural and not repetitive. In start glitch, we create a short animation burst by generating a few frames and running a timer, periodic every 60 milliseconds. Each frame calls apply glitch frame, which updates random offsets, clipping, and skew values to create the glitch effect using set state. We also check mounted to avoid errors when the widget is removed. Once all frames are done, we stop the timer, reset everything using reset glitch, and schedule the next glitch. This loop creates a smooth, repeating glitch animation. Here we build the UI using a stack to layer multiple text widgets on top of each other. When glitching is true, we show two extra text layers with different colors and apply transform. Translate to shift them horizontally using random offsets. This creates the RGB glitch effect. Finally, we place the main text on top with the primary color so it stays clear and readable. Combining these layers gives us a smooth and realistic glitch animation. In the main UI, we use a center with a column to align multiple glitch texts vertically. Each glitch text custom widget displays different words like glitch, subscribe, like, and share, all with the same font size for consistency. This shows how easily we can reuse our custom widget to create multiple animated texts on the screen, making the UI more engaging and dynamic. If you're getting the set state called after dispose error, the fix is simple. Just add if mounted return at the start of your apply glitch frame method. This ensures that set state only runs when the widget is still in the widget tree, preventing crashes caused by timers running after the widget is removed. And that's it, your glitch text animation is now running perfectly. The text shifts, colors split, and everything animates smoothly without any errors. You can customize the text, colors, and intensity to create your own unique effects. This is a powerful way to make your Flutter UI more dynamic and eye-catching. Follow for more awesome animations.